Imagine a place where spring doesn't mean blooming flowers or gentle rains, but avalanches of dry ice, explosive geysers, and shifting sand dunes. Welcome to Mars, where the arrival of spring comes with a bang. Here on Earth, spring means trickling water and melting ice, but on Mars, it's pure chaos. Ice cracks, gas erupts from the ground, and powerful winds reshape the entire landscape. It's like watching a cosmic fireworks show unfold on a freezing, alien world. Picture this: a 66-foot wide block of dry ice crashing down a cliff, dark plumes of sand shooting into the sky, and dunes wandering across a frozen desert. This is springtime on the red planet, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. It's a new year on Mars. On Mars, a year lasts about 687 Earth days, almost twice as long as a year on Earth right now. As we on Earth prepare for winter and New Year celebrations, spring is starting in Mars' northern hemisphere. This means warmer temperatures for Mars, changes in the landscape as the planet thaws. Unlike Earth, Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which doesn't allow liquids to form on its surface. When sun rays falls on the Mars surface, ice don't melt. Instead, ice changes directly into gas in a process called sublimation, which means dry ice turns directly into gas, skipping the liquid phase because Mars' atmospheric pressure is too low. Frost avalanches. Giant chunks of carbon dioxide ice, also called dry ice, break away and tumble down cliffs during spring. These avalanches occur because the ice becomes weak as temperatures rise. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, even captured a 66-foot wide ice block falling, a clear sign of how energetic Mars' spring is. Gas geysers. When sunlight passes through layers of carbon dioxide ice, the bottom layer heats up and turns into gas. This gas builds up pressure and explodes out of the surface, shooting material like sand and dust into the air. These explosions leave dark fan-shaped patterns on the Martian ground. Such activity will peak in December 2025, during springtime in Mars' southern hemisphere. Spider pattern. After the gas geysers erupt, strange patterns resembling giant spider legs appear on the surface. These formations, called Araneiform terrain, are caused by the escaping gas. Scientists have even recreated this process in laboratories on Earth. Winds creating pattern. Mars' North Pole has a massive ice cap with swirling, spiral-shaped troughs carved by the strong winds. These troughs are as long as the state of California. Imagine a huge landmass, and they look like the swirls of milk in a cup of coffee. When spring arrives on Mars, the ice starts melting. Warm winds rush through these long troughs, gaining speed and strength. These winds are so powerful that they reshape the icy landscape, creating new patterns and adding to the beauty of Mars. Roaming sand dunes. During Mars winter, frost, a layer of frozen carbon dioxide or water, forms on the sand dunes. This frost acts like a glue, holding the sand in place and keeping the dunes from moving. When spring arrives, the frost melts away because of the sun's warmth. Once the frost is gone, the sand becomes loose again. Strong winds start blowing across the surface of Mars. These winds push the loose sand, causing the sand dunes to shift or wander slowly, just like how sand dunes move on Earth's deserts. And that's a wrap on our cosmic journey to Mars. From explosive gas geysers to roaming sand dunes, spring on the red planet is full of mind-blowing transformations. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with fellow space enthusiasts. And of course, drop your thoughts or any questions you have about Mars in the comments below. I'd love to hear your views. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more exciting space explorations, and be sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Next time, we might just dive deeper into another mysterious corner of our universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Keep looking up because the cosmos is full of surprises.